Welcome back to Dad Simply Cooking, Dad Thrown Together Thursday. Dad, don't trip over the dog that's laying in the floor. Taking simple ingredients you probably got sitting around the house. Your wife or your husband probably set out the chicken or whatever already. You can take those easy ingredients you got sitting all around and make an incredible, easy supper. This chicken, bacon, pasta comes together fast, comes together easy. It's a one-pot dish, and trust me, it's fast, it's simple, and nobody's gonna believe that it was just thrown together. This is a 10 out of 10, and it's gonna kill on that Thrown Together Thursday. So Dad, take it away. If you're new around here, I'm all about simple, easy, affordable dishes that anybody can make without breaking the bank and spending all day in the kitchen. If that's your kind of cooking, hit the subscribe button below, pull up a chair around my kitchen table, and let's get cooking dinner. Today is Throw Together Thursday. Just got home from work and we're about to throw down. My wife set out chicken breast and I had to figure out from there what to do. So today we're making that delicious cheesy bacon ranch pasta that you saw in the beginning. So I got chicken breast. I'm gonna cut it up and get rid of all the weird parts. So let's go ahead and change those camera angles. All right, so with this, I got my chicken breast. I'm gonna slice and dice it, get all the weird parts off and get it ready to cook. I got some delicious bacon. We're gonna be using the bacon to go with this. I do got some onions that we're gonna slice and dice. We're gonna make this a one-pot baby. Plain, simple, easy. We're not moving around a bunch, getting everything else going. We're keeping all the same flavors going. So let's go ahead and cut this chicken breast up. So as everybody knows, there's those times where you don't know what to set out. You set out the chicken, you set out the pork chop, you set out hamburger, you figure it out. That's what Thrown Together Thursdays are for. All right, so now get your bacon. We're gonna slice and dice our bacon next. I'm gonna be using my Toastmaster skillet today. Kind of keep it like a one-pot thing. So I'm gonna plug my Toastmaster in. I'm gonna put it to about 3, which is medium to high heat. So my onion chopped up. Pop it on in. We're just gonna cook this bacon on down, get it all finished up, and then we're gonna leave the grease. We're gonna cook our chicken in it. I got my lid, get some olive oil, some honey mustard, of course. Salt, a little bit of garlic seasoning. If you don't worry about heartburn, you can go with some garlic. But and that Montreal steak seasoning, my go-to, my favorite. And then some of that Tony's Creole. Now with my chicken, I'm just gonna mix it all up. We're just gonna let the bacon finish up. We're gonna take the bacon out, put the chicken in, and just bada bing, bada boom. I got my bacon out. Now in with my chicken right on here. let my chicken cook down. So we need some cheese. I only have the 16 ounces, so I'm going to use 8 of each. Pepper Jack and Colby. All right, my chicken, I'm gonna take it out. So we'll start making the sauce. Going with 2 cups. I'm gonna go in with a half a cup of milk. Diluting on in, I'm going with my Colby and my Pepper Jack. All right, my noodles are al dente. Keep a little bit of the pasta water. So I'm going to pop my chicken on in. Mix in our bacon. I'm excited about trying this. Chicken, bacon, cheese pasta. Oh my, the flavor on this is amazing. I did put a little bit of crushed red pepper on mine. Doesn't need it though. This is 10 out of 10. Right. Good. Enjoy Throw Together Thursday dishes. If you enjoyed Dad's Sunday supper, Dad's Sunday breakfast, anything revolving around cooking, easy, affordable food, I'm your guy. If anything with thrown together, easy, simple, affordable recipes for an actual dad that works a full-time job to come home and cook, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up on this video, and let me know what you love to cook. I love you. Thank you for being here. If you will, I'd greatly appreciate if you would subscribe, pull up a chair to my family table, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.